open pour at millions of bright stars suspended in dark space. When one crosses the universe, it looks limitless. But the universe is not infinite, and the stars and galaxies are not motionless. Whichever way you go, they are accelerating away from us. The whole universe is expanding, and space is getting bigger. The galaxies are moving away from each other like countless lights in the It means that it will reverse the movement. Everything will focus down into a tiny point. As the galaxies retrace their steps, they move closer. 13.7 billion years ago, all the matter of the universe was crushed into an infinitely small point. It contained all the matter of all the energy in the universe. And then, before the big bang,
你望下，
there was nothing.
爆炸咗我個宇宙，
No time,
係咪啊？
no matter, just nothing. At the big bang, time began to go. And for a big thing second, in fact 10
望上
million
邊，
trillions of a second.
哇！
Even the five fundamental forces of the universe, gravity, the strong wind forces, and the electromagnetic force are the same. As the universe expanded and grew, gravity separated from other forces first. Then, strong force separated. The tiny sub-atom-sized universe suddenly expanded 1,000 million times in just a tenth of a second. Almost instantaneously, it became 10 meters in diameter. This amazing growth is called inflation, and after it happened, the universe was changed forever. Inflation made the universe smooth. It was even flowed, the same temperature and density everywhere. Einstein discovered that energy and matter are interchangeable. About a nanosecond after inflation, energy turned into matter and antimatter, but there was slightly more matter than antimatter, and as the two opposites annihilated each other, a small proportion of matter was left over to become today's universe. When the temperature cooled to 10 quadrillion degrees, quarks, muons, electrons, and neutrinos appeared. From about 1 microsecond to 1 second after the Big Bang, the universe cooled enough that quarks began to stick together to form protons and neutrons. The familiar building blocks of the matter we know today. When the universe was just 10 seconds old,
其他個地球仲有啲咩？你望下隨便。
After a minute, some protons and neutrons associated to form the nuclei of the simplest elements, helium and lithium. Independent atoms were formed when primitive positively charged nuclei collected negatively charged electrons to balance their protons over the next 300,000 years. 380,000 years after the Big Bang, photons did not associate with any other particles, and as a result, wandered the universe forever. They became the cosmic microwave background radiation we can observe in every direction of the universe today. With all the building blocks in place, giant structures could grow. Matter come together under its own gravity, forming the first stars within protogalaxies. The protogalaxies became galaxies, and the galaxies associated into clusters and superclusters. The universe is dynamic and constantly changing. Nuclear reactions in the stars make heavy elements. Giant stars explode as supernovae violently throw material out into space, where it floats in the void for billions of years. It is eventually picked up and recycled in future generations of stars and planets, just like our sun and Earth. It is literally true to say that we are made of the stars.
Dude.